guys, Rob here from Honcho Supplies. I'm showing you today a new product that we've just launched, the Door Defense by Skudo USA. As you can see here, wraps around the door nice and snug. The huge benefit of this is not only that it's got good impact and it's actually flame retardant, but it's made from 100% recycled denim jeans. And then the really good thing, it's reusable, and the best thing out of it is super quick to install. So if you've got plenty of doors and that sort of thing, this is your best bet. Like, I've put this together, which you'll see in a video shortly, but basically it took me no more than 4 minutes to put this together. So you've got really good impact protection, and then it's sort of snug, very nice and tight with these Velcro straps that come with the actual product. And then as you can see, it looks very presentable as well. So there you have it, guys. Door Defense by Skudo. Jump online and check it out on our website at honchosupplies.com.au. Cheers.